can see now all my dreams. I travel so far night, and they're created.
Hi, it's John. We're just here in Berwick, and with our motorhome, which you can just see behind us there, we are heading down to Amble for the day to see our in-laws with my wife and kids, and then we're going to probably just have lunch with them and then head down to Belford, which is a beautiful place. We're going to spend the night and just wild camp. It's in a park up, so you just ask them for permission to stay, and then you bring everything you need. In the morning you can go in and have a beautiful breakfast or buy something from the farm shop. So just walking Patch just now. Hopefully you can see him. We're just at Berwick at a retail park, and it's pretty busy. We've just parked down at the service entrance, so we're keeping it out of the way. And I thought I would also test my mic, this little thing here, to see what it's like in the wind. I'm going to get a little kind of muffler thing. I think some people call them like a dead cat, which is a terrible name, for a little furry thing you stick on your mic to stop it having problems in the wind. The kids are, as we get back to the van, the kids are feeling pretty tired. They're I don't think they slept very well last night just at home, so I'm hoping they get a nice sleep in the van. Looking forward to it. It's been a couple of weeks since we last stayed in it, and it's not long until we do a big holiday. We're going away for a couple of weeks down to the very south of England, so that's going to be a fantastic adventure. Really excited about that. So just giving you an update, and look forward to sharing more. Take care. So here we are just at Sunny Hills, which is in Belford, and it's absolutely beautiful spot. We're just parked here in the car park, and there's a few other campers here. We've had quite an amazing day. We ended up driving most of the day because we were at Amble in the north of England, and we heard that our holiday cottage had a problem with the smoke alarm, so we had to go to nearby town, pick up a ladder, and then drive about an hour and 20 minutes to our holiday house, and then go and fix the smoke alarm. And then we got lost a couple of times, so our GPS took us in the wrong direction, so that was good fun. So we're a bit tired now, but we're just getting ready for a walk with the dog Patch. And it's a totally beautiful location. It's just stunning, as you can see behind us. It's a really quiet area. Looking forward to just exploring a bit, settling down with the kids, play some games, and then head to bed. So it's been an adventure, but definitely recommend this place. It's such a beautiful sight.
I can see now all my dreams. I travel so far night, and they're creating beautiful realities from inside. On me, does. When my dreams come true, I realize they're created by reflections of me and you.
This is a little field, patches, walking at the Sunny Hills farm and farm shop and cafe. So there's our motorhome there, and it's a nice flat pitch. It's beautiful fields that surround next to the town of Belford, and yeah, looking forward to a nice quiet night. It's next to a campsite, but it's such a beautiful, still and calm location. Looking forward to spending more time here, and yeah, just really relaxing. Hi, it's Jon, and today meditation. I felt that as I dream, I create the dreams, I create the realities in my dreams and travel to far off places all around this universe. And it's the same in the daytime. In the daytime, our hearts, our thoughts, our intentions create our realities. We create our realities through our feelings, through our actions, through our beliefs, our vibrations. May your day and may your dreams be filled with love. Thanks for watching. Sending love from Scotland. I love you. Hi, so here we are at Sunny Hills. It is about 7:30, coming up for 8 a.m. and we had a beautiful sleep just in the car park here, surrounded by fields, and yeah, really enjoyed it. There's lots of birds, very quiet at night. Just before we went to sleep at night, there was loads of beautiful clouds in the sunsets. There was like these UFO clouds, just like a whole fleet of UFOs as clouds. It was really beautiful. And yeah, we just the kids played some games and we just watched some YouTube and got a fairly late night sleep. But yeah, really beautiful place. There's a few other vans that stayed over. It was very quiet, and it's just beautiful to wake up, like to step outside your front door and really just to step into this beautiful nature all around you. So I'm just gonna take Patch for a walk, which he's loving just now. You can see him. There he is, sniffing around. We're gonna get some breakfast. We'll probably buy some breakfast from the farm shop. It's beautiful food, like poached eggs, like the free range there. I think they come from, there's a chicken, like a free range chicken factory up here. Your factory is a strong word. You can see them, all the chickens, they let them out running around the field, and there's so many and they're so beautiful. And yeah, and then I think we're going to head back. We're going to head back for about midday because my daughter wants to meet up with friends and do some revision together. And I'll probably tidy up our motorhome and write a song. So yeah, really enjoyed it. And although yesterday was very stressful after driving the loads backwards and forwards between different towns in our motorhome, today we're very chilled and looking forward to another Scottish sunny summertime Sunday. So thank you for watching, and I'm looking forward to sharing our next adventure. Send my love. Thank you. I love the UFO clouds here. They're just incredible. We've been seeing them all the way through yesterday as we drove around the Scottish borders, and here you can see some dark ones in the over towards the horizon there, and there's loads over here, like big ships and then smaller ones. Just must be the perfect weather, I guess. Maybe it's the perfect galactic weather.